This is day 3 of me trying to knit this MLB sweater that I designed in honor of the World Series, and this is how far into it I am. I literally got all of this done. Like, this is insane. So I literally have to do the stripe right here above this word. Well, above the word world, and then after that I'll bind off and be done with the back panel. So let's do that, and then we'll talk about the front panel and what I have to do with that. The back panel is complete. This is how it looks, and now I'm gonna steam block it so that everything can relax, and then I'm gonna pin it on blocking mats so it's really relaxed, and then I'll keep it there while I'm working on my front panel. But speaking of my front panel, I'm gonna redo the design I did, because let's pretend this is the front panel. If I do it as is, the picture will literally start from after the ribbing here all the way to the top, and I just want a portion of the picture. Like, I just want the picture like concentrated here without taking up the entire panel. Now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do and fix the chart accordingly to, like, basically, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out, but that's my little dilemma right now. So yeah, let's see what I can do. Okay guys, so I steam blocked my panel, and I can definitely feel the difference. It's so drapey. It's so weird. This is how it looks. It's nice and loose. Oh, I love it. The back of it, well, inside technically. And that's it. I literally didn't do anything else today. Yeah, I literally just finished this panel, blocked it. I didn't even tinker with the chart. I was just like, I don't feel like doing anything today other than finishing that, and that's it. So I'll definitely start. Sunday, you want some scratchies, Sunday? Anyway, I'll definitely start editing a new chart, well, creating a new chart, and starting the front panel tomorrow. What's tomorrow? The 21st. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, and that's it for day 3. Bye.